Do you want cute, aesthetic, cheap stickers like this one? Well, you're in the right place because you can make cute, aesthetic, cheap stickers without any expensive machines. And Assalamu alaikum, I am Ayesha Farooq and welcome to my channel. So, first of all, you'll need a printlet. Here's my pink aesthetic printlet, and now the next step is you can take like a clear tape, not even a single design on your tape. It should be like clear, and you have to put it just like this. I recommend a bigger one. This was small and a bit hard to do it, but I did it anyway. Next, you'll need a double-sided tape just like this one. You're going to stick it on the back firmly. It's done! Now, choose a sticker you like and cut it out. Then flip the back and then peel off the other plastic on your double-sided tape. Just like this. Now stick it wherever you like. Seriously, this is so cute and I'm so happy you can make your own stickers. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!